Well, babies. Well, we've lost a video very cool, very important. I feel like I don't know whether if make the folk because don't have nothing like don't have sense to turn off the cell phone. And I'm studying so much paranormal effects. It's very difficult to do this because the people are very aggressive with the people la gente que se atreve a estudiar formalmente algo que sea paranormal. It's very, very aggressive, the people with them. Yes, very horrible. But whatever, anyway. Yeah, totally flow, and it was very easy, but well, whatever. Well, we buy this energy exactly for this. Like, I recommend you buy this for when you have this kind of super horrible sensations. Yeah, it's more for therapists, if I honest, but if you are very lucky and don't have problem, yeah. Cuesta 100 pesos. Okay, the symbology system, I manifested this. All these colors for 100 pesos. You investigate how many are 100 pesos. Okay, and you have this. Exactly. Not. Yeah, it was very cool, Charlie. 5G. 5G, Charlie, you want to stay on the video? 5G? Not. Yeah, we open one, and it's a little difficult to open. Give me a second. Yeah, fine. If you have kids, try to. Oh my goodness! Or if you are a kid, to sorry. Try to open this because it's because are more small than normal. Try to open this because it can be like very like running around and around feeling. Yeah, and this is for sensorial kids. It's very yummy, and the trick for the people to love this kind of videos with this kind of sensations. It's don't lift the, I don't know, it's like staying a radio station. I put the example. It's this by. Let's see this. Looks like I have fungus on my nail because my mom loves this energy. And this is a symbology system I do for she. I put in the other video. This is from she, my mamina. Yeah, the point is feel like you are like this, exactly. Imagine like your body, it's this sensation in your muscles, you know? Very soft. Like when somebody speaks very slow and very like this. Yeah, before to sleep and after to be very like not noisy. Not like this. Okay. Well, babies, I love you. Bye.